Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast or just want to save money on vehicle diagnostics, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best OBD2 scanners for cars, tools that can help you diagnose issues, save on repair bills, and keep your ride running smooth. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Opdon ArtiDiag 500 OBD2 scanner for car. The Opdon ArtiDiag 500 OBD2 scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool designed for DIY car enthusiasts. Offering professional-grade diagnostics for 4 key vehicle systems: engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, it allows users to quickly identify and resolve issues. This vehicle scanner efficiently interprets and clears fault codes while also examining data streams to ensure that problems are detected promptly. One of the standout features of the AD500 is its ability to perform 6 reset functions. These include oil reset, throttle adaptation, and recalibration of components like the steering angle sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, battery management system, and electronic parking brake. These functions simplify maintenance tasks, such as resetting oil change indicators and fine-tuning throttle response, making it easier for vehicle owners to maintain optimal performance. The AD500's design is user-friendly, featuring a 5-inch touchscreen and physical buttons for seamless navigation. It offers additional functionalities such as DTC lookup, diagnostic data recording, and the ability to print diagnostic reports via email. The tool also supports lifetime free upgrades through Wi-Fi, ensuring it remains up to date with the latest features. For faster diagnostics, the AutoVIN feature quickly retrieves essential vehicle information, streamlining the process. The device also doubles as a battery voltage monitor, providing users with real-time insights into their vehicle's battery health. In case of any challenges, Opdon offers instant support for troubleshooting and resolving issues. Upgraded for enhanced performance, the AD500 boasts a 1.5 GHz 4-core CPU, 2 GB RAM, and 32 GB ROM, running smoothly on Android 11.0. With a large 3350 mAh battery, the tool offers extended usage between charges. Additionally, the scanner supports a wide range of vehicles and offers 12 language options, making it a versatile and reliable choice for any car owner looking to maintain their vehicle effectively. Coming in at number 4, the Thinkcar Thinkscan Plus OBD2 scanner for car. The Thinkcar Thinkscan Plus OBD2 scanner is a versatile diagnostic tool designed to help car owners troubleshoot and maintain various vehicle systems efficiently. This scanner provides crucial support for diagnosing a range of issues across multiple modules in a vehicle, ensuring smooth operation and safety. One of the primary features of the Thinkscan Plus is its ability to diagnose ECM issues. The scanner helps identify the cause of the check engine light, which could be triggered by problems such as poor engine combustion or faulty injectors. By reading the fault codes and resetting the diagnostic tool, the scanner allows owners to address the issue promptly and prevent further damage or environmental impact. The scanner also offers comprehensive ABS diagnostics, which are vital for the safety of the vehicle. It reads fault codes from the transmission system and allows for live data viewing to assess the health of the ABS system. This feature helps resolve ABS-related issues, and it can be used to reset the ABS warning light after a problem is fixed. For airbag and safety-related concerns, the Thinkscan Plus is equipped with SRS diagnostics. It scans the airbag system for faults such as loose connections or sensor issues, ensuring that safety mechanisms remain intact. If the airbag warning light persists after repairs, the scanner can also reset it. The tool's BCM diagnostic capabilities are essential for detecting problems with the vehicle's body systems, including lights, door locks, power windows, and sunroofs. By identifying the root cause of BCM issues, the scanner helps prevent larger, more expensive repairs. Additionally, the Thinkscan Plus features TCM diagnostics for automatic transmission issues, AC diagnostics for climate control, and IC diagnostics for dashboard indicators. This makes it an all-in-one solution for vehicle maintenance, offering a streamlined approach to keeping your car in optimal condition. At number 3, we have the Foxwell GT60 OBD2 scanner for car. The Foxwell GT60 OBD2 scanner is a powerful and advanced diagnostic tool designed for car owners and professionals. The latest version of this device introduces wireless diagnostic capabilities and an added active test function, making it a versatile tool for in-depth car diagnostics. It provides full system diagnostics at the OE level, allowing users to analyze every system of the vehicle for optimal performance. One of the standout features of the Foxwell GT60 is its comprehensive support for over 80 car brands, including popular manufacturers like GM, Fiat, and VW, with specific compatibility for Brazilian models. This broad compatibility ensures that a wide range of vehicles, regardless of the make or region, can be accurately diagnosed using the scanner. Additionally, it includes over 24 reset services such as oil reset, EPB reset, and A/F adjustment, making it an all-in-one solution for automotive maintenance. The Foxwell GT60 is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen display, offering a user-friendly interface and easy navigation through diagnostic functions. Its large screen enhances the visibility of live data, allowing users to monitor vehicle performance in real time. With a robust 5,000 mAh battery, the device provides extended usage on a single charge, ensuring it can handle multiple diagnostic sessions without interruption. The Foxwell GT60 also boasts an updated storage capacity of 2 + 64 GB, ensuring that users have enough space to store diagnostic data and software updates. With free online updates and lifetime technical support, owners can rest assured that the device will remain up to date and fully functional throughout its lifespan. This OBD2 scanner is available in multiple warehouses across BR, CZ, D, AU, US, and RU, ensuring fast delivery and minimizing any potential customs issues. Next up at number 2 is the Ancel DS300 OBD2 scanner for car. The Ancel DS300 OBD2 scanner is a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed to provide professional-level car diagnostics. It allows users to read diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and access live data streams, making it an essential device for troubleshooting various vehicle systems. This scanner is capable of performing active tests and offers coding features for a wide range of vehicle systems. It covers everything from engines and transmissions to airbag and immobilizer systems, providing diagnostic support for crucial car components. Whether it's for ABS, cruise control, airbags, or steering angle systems, the Ancel DS300 can read and analyze these components with ease. One of its standout features is its ability to code for all systems, including specialized functions like tire pressure monitoring, electronic parking brakes, and even advanced features such as intelligent parking assist, rain sensors, and heated rear windows. The scanner also supports ECU replacement, allowing users to match, learn, or code newly replaced ECUs. This is particularly useful for reprogramming the vehicle control modules after a repair or replacement, ensuring that all components work in harmony. Furthermore, the Ancel DS300 gives users the ability to disable unwanted functions like automatic engine start/stop, customize vehicle settings, and flash hidden features to enhance the car's performance. The coding function can also be used to improve fuel efficiency, adjust alarm settings, or reprogram adaptive data for specific components. Designed with ease of use and versatility in mind, the Ancel DS300 OBD2 scanner is an invaluable tool for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic, offering a wide array of diagnostic and coding capabilities for various car systems. Finally, at number 1, we have the Autel MK808S Pro OBD2 scanner for car. The Autel MK808S Pro OBD2 scanner is a versatile and high-performance diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. Building on the success of its predecessor, the MK808, the MK808S introduces a host of powerful upgrades, all without any additional cost to the consumer. One of the key improvements is the updated Android 11.0 operating system, which boosts diagnostic speed by 5 times compared to earlier models. This significant increase in performance enhances overall efficiency, making it easier and faster to identify and troubleshoot vehicle issues. In addition, the MK808S comes equipped with a much larger memory capacity. With 4 GB of RAM paired with 64 GB of storage, this model offers a smoother, lag-free experience even when handling multitasking and complex diagnostic functions. The upgrade from the Rockchip RK3188 to the RK3566 CPU further optimizes the device's diagnostic apps, ensuring faster and more accurate results. The MK808S also features dual Wi-Fi support, which accelerates the rate at which diagnostic data is transmitted and collected, ensuring quick communication with the vehicle's systems. For ease of use, the 7-inch touchscreen provides a sharp 1024x600 resolution, delivering an intuitive and user-friendly interface that makes diagnostics straightforward and efficient. Equipped with full system diagnoses, the MK808S can access a vehicle's electronic control systems for a comprehensive analysis. It can perform functional tests and retrieve diagnostic data, including trouble codes, live data, and event codes for various systems such as ABS, SRS, engine, transmission, brake system, fuel system, and more. This makes it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's health with ease.